This is the weirdest car door handle design I've ever seen. Look at this. This right here is a car door handle. This is just weird. Easily the weirdest car door handle design I've ever seen. And this right here is the window. Hold on. Look. See?
What are you doing?
I'm just... Okay. Yep. Also, if you don't know, I'm on vacation right now, and I'm in Florida, in Cape Coral, in the state of Florida. On vacation. Well, yeah. Let me rephrase that. So, we went to Florida. We went to Cape Coral in the state of Florida for vacation. Anyways, yeah. This is gonna be it. Yeah. Wish me luck.